Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create an external location in Databricks. Databricks can securely access and interact with external storage services like Azure Blob Storage, enabling efficient data integration and management. Let's get started. Create an Access connector in Azure. To begin, navigate to Access connectors in the Azure portal and click on +Create. Then select or create a resource group and choose a unique name for your connector, and select the region that matches your storage account's region. After reviewing the details, click Review +Create, and then Create to deploy the Access connector. Next, you need to create credentials in Databricks to authenticate the connection. Open your Databricks workspace, go to the catalog, and select External Data. Then go to Credentials, and click on Create Credentials. Now choose Managed Identity for the credential type, and provide a descriptive name for the credential. Next, copy and paste the Access connector ID you created in Azure, and click Create to save. After setting up the credentials, assign the necessary IAM role to the Azure storage account. In the Azure portal, go to Access Control IAM and click +Add. Then add role assignment. Now choose Storage Blob Data Contributor. Then proceed to select Managed Identity and click on +Select Members and choose the Access connector. And finalize by clicking Review +Assign. With the permissions set, configure the external location in Databricks. In the Databricks catalog, under External Locations, click on Create External Location. Then provide a name and enter the URL of the Azure Blob Storage container you want to link. Then select the storage credential you created earlier and click Create. Finally, test the connection by clicking Test Connection to ensure that the necessary permissions are correctly set up. You can verify the success of this configuration by browsing the external location. You should now see the files stored in the connected Azure container and can interact with them directly from your Databricks workspace, performing operations such as reading, writing, and managing the external data. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.